The uniqueness of the product required us to design not just a standard panel that opened in the event of a fire, but a panel that needed the accessibility to get at the actuator and the automatic opener during everyday use. So what we came up with is a design where we've got a main door leaf, which is the actual smoke panel, and then a secondary leaf that you can open and gain access to the actual actuator for maintenance, replacement needs, etc, etc. We've also designed into the panel a small panel where we can put in a control unit, any access control equipment that the customer may need for the future.
We are experts and one of the biggest fire laboratories in Europe. We work very closely between science and customer testing, and this makes us very good at complicated tests, and we have high knowledge about fire resistance and fire dynamics.
So what we're testing here is a vent for reliability. It's a dual purpose vent, so it has to be tested for comfort openings and for fire openings. We're testing to class RE100, which means we have to test 10,000 times opening for 6 seconds, which is the normal comfort opening. And after the 10,000 cycles, we then run it for a further 100 to the fire opening position, which is to a full 90 degrees. This is what's known as the reliability test.
We've designed a cost-effective chute bolt in the top and the bottom of the door with a plastic block which melts at 190 degrees. So in the event of a fire, the block melts, fires the top and bottom chute bolt, and what this eradicates is the need of the actuator to hold the door shut in the event of a fire.
What we're doing here in this test is a fire resistance test according to EN 12101-2 Annex G. The total test is 30 minutes long. For the first 5 minutes, the door remains shut whilst we heat on the opposite side to 300 degrees C. After 5 minutes, we then operate the control panel and the door must open to 90 degrees in less than 60 seconds. We're now waiting for a further 25 minutes with the heat still burning at 300 degrees, and we need to check that the door doesn't close again, or the hinges fell, or the motor brackets fell. And then at the end of the test, after 30 minutes, they will measure that the aperture hasn't shrunk by more than 10%.
The fire resistance test, we are looking for flames through the constructions or gaps through the construction.
We've now at the end of the test, it successfully passed. The door did everything we wanted it to. It bowed a little bit more than we expected, but it still passed, and we're very happy with that. As you can see now, the door's been cooled down. It's gone flat again after the test, as you would expect it to do. A little bit of charring around the edges, everything you would expect the product to do, and we're really happy that it passed.
Well, the product did pass both tests today, and that's quite not normal that a customer succeed the first test they perform.
The S-shaft smoke vent door is a unique product within the market. It's the only door that's certified to EN 12101-2 and to EN 1673-1 for 60-minute fire rating. So this is a product that's very, very unique in the way we've tested it, and we feel it's a wonderful product for the market. It's a product the market needs right now.
Yeah, this product is unique. There are other similar products, but they tend to be more sort of homegrown products without any certification. Wooden doors with chain actuators screwed to the back and very difficult to maintain. So what we've done is we've looked at this product from the market back. We've been to sites, we've seen the problems, we've spoken to customers about the problems and challenges they face. So we built it into this product and had it tested.
It's bringing two components together, whereas normally you'd buy a door and the actuator, but actually we brought the two products together as one unit.
So many people are commenting the fact of how can you service something that's behind a locked door, and to have that access and that ability to get to that is paramount and key and very interesting to an awful lot of parties.